In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a beautiful piece of digital art using Ghibli Art Designer GPT. Whether you're a seasoned artist or a complete beginner looking to explore digital mediums, this guide will help you produce stunning results effortlessly. So let's dive right in and get started with creating your artwork. First, you'll want to open the Ghibli Art Designer GPT. You can do this by visiting the official Ghibli website or by launching the app if you have it installed on your device. Once you are there, go ahead and sign in with your credentials to gain access to all the features available on this powerful platform. If you don't have an account yet, most platforms will guide you through a straightforward registration process, ensuring you're all set up and ready to go. With your account logged in and everything in place, you're ready to start a new project. To do this, locate the button labeled New Artwork or Create Design. Clicking this will open up a blank canvas for you to work with. This is the perfect opportunity to ignite your creativity and think about what you want to bring to life. Having a clear space to work on gives you the freedom to imagine and execute your artistic vision. Now that you have your canvas ready, it's time for the fun part, prompting your artwork. Here's a delightful suggestion for you to consider. You could use an example prompt such as, create a dreamy illustration of a treehouse at sunset with glowing lanterns and soft watercolor textures. By typing this into the text box, you're setting up the tool to produce something truly magical. The combination of a treehouse, the serene sunset, and the added touch of glowing lanterns with watercolor effects will surely help in creating a visually stunning and ethereal piece. Feel free to tweak the prompt to suit your personal style or vision. After you've entered your prompt, give the system a moment to work its magic. The platform will render your artwork based on the instructions you've provided. It's like watching an artist at work as you see a masterpiece unfold before your eyes. Patience is key here, as the rendering might take a little time depending on the complexity of your prompt. Once the rendering is complete, take a good look at your artwork. This is your chance to preview the creation. If there's anything you'd like to change or refine, now is the time to adjust. You can tweak your prompt or make use of editing tools available, ensuring the artwork aligns perfectly with your vision. Finally, when you are completely satisfied with your masterpiece, it's time to preserve your work. Select the Download option. Saving your artwork ensures you'll always have access to your digital creation and allows you to share it with others or incorporate it into other projects. And there you have it, a beautiful piece of art created in just a few simple steps. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Happy creating!